Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I believe you are doing very much well. So today we want to learn how to create a birthday flyer for a celebrant, and in this tutorial I want to show you a simple way to create one. There's a many way you can create a birthday flyer, but this one I want to show you how you can create a very simple one. So this is a pixellab interface, and you can see the color background there. So we have to change it to the one we want to use. So you come here, come to color, come here and change it to white. Press the OK, then you come here, choose the picture you want to use, choose the kind of picture you want to use. I'm looking for a great picture here. Let's use this one. The face is somehow terrible. Let me try if I can work on the face. It's not done yet. Okay. Let's just make it look like this. I think this one is okay. So what next? Make sure you put it at the center. Centralize it. It has been centralized. So what do we need to do again? Bring out another shape. This way. Another shape. Copy it. Copy it again. Let's use another picture for this one. Let's go to the select. Let me use this one. Reselect. I just want you to sit very well. That's why I'm putting the phone on a landscape. If not, you will not be able to sit very well, and that is why this thing is misbehaving like this. Let me bring another picture in. Okay, so we have to work on this one too. We have to work on this one too. This one is even more better. So bring it back word. think I go this way, then you copy this one again. Change it to blue. Change the color, either to this or to this, or any color of your choice. You can change it to any color of your choice. Let's make use of this one. So come here, bring this one back, bring it back. Now I go this way. So you click on this one, click on this middle button, make sure you merge everything together. Click it again, okay. So you come here, erase color, and the white color will vanish. I'm coming, I want to adjust this one very well. So for you to cover this sheet, this much space up here, just bring it another shape, change into color green. Just have to be creative. I see now you have changed it to color green, then you bring in your text. Bring in your text. Date. You can put out the date the person was born. Okay, let me just write date. Let me just put in any date. Okay. Don't disturb yourself too much. You have to be creative. Go to fonts. Go to fonts. Change it to white. Let's check another color. Let's check black. Yeah, make it to be at the center of each other. That space is much. Let me close their gap a bit. Copy again. Me. I'm just writing, putting in any date for the tutorial sake. So here, you copy it, then write the name. And just change the color to white. Then bring it down a bit. Change it to black. So what next? Happy birthday. Let's make it green then. Let's see what we can work on here. Let's go to stroke. Fonts. Thought I'm my own font. And change the color to black. Let's look at another color we can use for this sheet. adopt it that we can't change it. Okay, we can actually change it. And we have to remove this. Okay, no, sorry. Now, with this, I think we are good. So with this, you can just save it that way. Save it. First of all, save it as a project before you begin to save it as an image. So this is how you create a flyer. We're gonna create another one later, but this one is a very simple one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And God bless you.